Nakikita na ba yung screen ko? Okay, so for, and good morning sa lahat, grade 12, and good morning, sir. Medyo random to ha, random yung topics natin dito sa quizzes. So, patatamaan naman yung mga skills talaga na kailangan nyo rin, mga important skills din na kailangan nyo. Hopefully makatulong ito. Okay, so start tayo. Recall lang din naman ito. Start tayo with this first item. What are the factors of 2x plus 4? So kapag ganito naman, two terms yung involved. Ayan, two terms yung involved. So we're just going to factor out their GCF lang naman. And then divide each factor by the GCF. So dito sa example natin, 2x and 4, their GCF is 2. We know that this is 2. And then lagay tayo ng parentheses. Yung magiging laman ng parentheses natin is the quotient of each term dividing by 2. So 2x divided by 2, that is x. And then 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So in fact, the factors of 2x plus 4 is 2 and x, the quantity of x plus 2. So ano lang siya, simple recall lang din siya. Ayan, ito yung answer natin. Ayan. So, kanina medyo nabanggit na rin ni Sir yung about sa function. Naririnig natin yung about function. Sabi ni Sir, hindi pwedeng may nauulit dun sa ating first coordinates or sa ating x coordinates. So, which of the following is not a function? So, not yung tanong. Alin dito yung not a function. So, si teacher, yung husband and wife, so ito hindi naman yan pwedeng maulit, hindi naman pwedeng maraming ano. And then sa city and its capital, meron din silang particular capital bawat city. And then item and price, meron din silang particular. Well, yung sa teacher, and ito kasi kapag sinabi mong function, dapat lagi tayong it's either 1-to-1 lang siya or many-to-1. Well, if you have noticed, the teacher and her students, considered siya as not a function kasi si teacher can be a teacher of many students. So many-to-1, 1-to-many na siya. So dito, we have teacher and her students. So tandaan niyo basta hindi pwede mag 1-to-many tayo. Many-to-1, pwede pa yun, and 1-to-1. Ayan, so let's try this another one naman, LCD. Medyo nababanggit rin ni Sir LCD kanina, although ibang topic siya. Pero involved pa rin yung skill ng finding the LCD. What is the LCD of the given rational equation? Ito yung given natin. Kapag naman yung given nyo ay puro variables lang, ang LCD nyo doon lang naman, hanapin nyo lang is, you're just going to copy the variable and then copy nyo lang yung highest exponent, which is in this given sa ating denominator, 2, or ito yung pinakamataas na exponent. So our LCD here is x squared. And how about this one? Fraction. Similar fraction lang naman siya, pero involved na kasi yung sign natin. Rules natin when it comes to sign. Ayan, so 1/5 minus the quantity of negative 2/5. Tandaan natin kapag nung nag-start tayo pumasok sa algebra, rule natin in subtracting integers, we change the sign of your subtrahend. So ito, from negative, magiging positive na siya. And then we're going to proceed with addition. So instead na minus, tayo, that will be 1/5. And then since mag-change nga ng sign ito from negative, magiging positive. So plus 2/5. And then since this is just a similar fractions, meaning same yung denominator nila, you're just going to copy the denominator and then add your numerator since addition dito. Ayan, so we have 3/5. Ito, medyo hopefully, alam naman ng lahat ito. Hexagon, ayan. So, triangle natin, 3 sides. Quadrilateral, recall lang. Quadrilateral, 4 sides. Pentagon, kapag 5 sides. Ayan. So, hexagon kapag 6 sides. Huwag niyo pagpalitin yung hexagon and heptagon. So, hexagon has 6 sides. Ayan. So, this is evaluation. We're just going to substitute the given value of x lang naman dun sa ating given function. So, dito, start natin siya. May given na what is h of negative 1. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nakita nyo, di ba, given si h of x, and then may given na hinahanap yung h of negative 1. So, we're just going to simply substitute negative 1 sa bawat x na nakikita nyo and then evaluate, then simplify natin. So, magiging 2 times, instead of x, magiging negative 1 raised to 2 minus. Tandaan nyo, minus yung operation dito. At the same time, minus yung value natin. You need to enclose that in parentheses pa muna. Ayan. Hindi mo pwedeng pag-isahin na dahil minus na siya is negative na siya. Magkaiba yun. Separation and then yung sign niya mismo. And then plus 1. Simplify natin. Negative 1 squared when we get the square of a negative number that is still positive kasi negative 1 times negative 1, that is positive 1. So we have 2 times 1, 2. Ayan. Kasi tayo 1 nga, so 1 times 2, that is 2. And then negative, minus negative, so magiging plus yan, katulad lang nung kanina. So instead of minus, magiging plus 1, and then plus 1 pa siya ulit. Yun nasa dulo. Plus 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Ayan. Ito nabanggit na rin ni Sir kanina. It is the set of all x coordinates. So x coordinates or the first coordinates, that is what we call the domain. Pag y naman, that is our range. Pag ang tanong na sa atin is set of ordered pairs, relation na yan. Ayan. Using special product, I hope familiar tayo with the special product. If you have noticed, yung given natin, same na same sila, pero magkaiba lang ng operation sa loob. So, ito ay, siya yung factors ng difference of two squares if nare-recall pa natin yung special product na yun. Difference of two squares siya. So, kapag ito yung given, difference of two squares yung pinaka-product nito, ha? Ayan, ito yung factors nun. So, kapag ganyan nakita nyo yung given, ang gagawin nyo lang naman dyan to get its product, just simply get the square of each term. And then since difference nga yung sinasabi ko kanina, minus yung atin. So, ang option nyo lang dyan ay ito lang naman. Ayan. 2 squared, that is 4x, the quantity of 2x raised to 2, that is 4x squared. And then minus, and then 3 squared, that is 9. So, ito yung answer natin. Basta makita nyo lang na parehas yung given, pinapakuha yung product, magkaiba lang yung operation, lagi siyang ang sagot is difference of 2 squares. Meaning, get the square of your first term, and then minus, get the square of your last term. Yun na yun. No need to use you can use the Paul method, pero mas matagal yun. Pero since may pattern naman tayo for this kind of special product, you can follow that naman. Ayan, ito naman, mga elementary ito, pero I hope alam pa rin natin yung tawag sa mga sagot ng ating basic operations. So what do you call the answer of addition? That is sum. Huwag yung pagbalik-balik ka rin. Sa subtraction, we have difference. Sa multiplication product, and then sa division quotient. So although basic siya, pero I hope natin inaalis sa mind natin yung natawag sa mga answers na yan. And solve for x. Okay, in solving for x, tandaan nyo, inequality yung given sa atin. Meron tayong rule na when we divide by any negative number, nagpapalit ng kung saan nakaharap yung inequality symbol. So yun yung kailangan nyo i-take note dito. In solving for this kasi, we're just going to, kailangan lang may ma-cancel out si negative 12, di ba? So we're going to divide both sides by negative 12. So para lang ma-cancel siya. Ayan, dividing both sides by negative 12, divide this by negative 12, kaya magiging x na lang siya. And then divide mo rin ito sa negative 12. But sabi ko nga, may rule tayo sa inequality. Since nag-divide tayo by negative, magpapalit siya. Instead of less than, magiging x is greater than, and then 60 divided by negative 12, that is negative 5. So answer natin is itong pangatlo. Ayan. What is the reciprocal? When we say reciprocal, pinag-i-interchange lang naman si numerator and denominator. But take note of this one. The given is still a mixed number. We should recall then kung paano ulit mag-change ng mixed to improper. So, change siya into improper fraction. Multiply lang naman ito. And then add tayo sa taas, sa numerator. 7 times 3. That is 21, and 21 times 3, plus 3, plus 3, that is 24. Then copy the denominator, 24 over 7. Ang pinapakausap is reciprocal, so we need to interchange this to the numerator and denominator. So our answer is 7 over 24, kasi reciprocal yung pinapakuha. Si 24 over 7 is the equivalent improper fraction pa lang niya. So, ang reciprocal niya is yung kabaliktaran, which is 7 over 24. Ayan, function pa rin. So, ito, kung nasusundan niyo yung sinasabi ko about dun sa kanina example na application siya in real life. Ito, yan. Mas makikita niyo siya using diagram. Which of the following is a function? So sabi ko nga sa inyo, it can be 1-to-1 or 1-to-many. Pero hindi siya pwedeng many-to-1. Pero hindi siya pwedeng maging 1-to-many. Ito kung napansin niyo dito, ayan, yung 0, dalawa yung output niya. So hindi na siya function. Dapat kasi si input, isa lang dapat yung output nila. Yung pupuntahan mo, ng bawat input mo. So ito, katulad nito sa pangatlo, si 1 din, dalawa rin yung output niya. Dito, yung 1, dalawa rin yung output niya. So, ang function lang dito sa given natin is ito. Kasi lahat ng input mo, ayan. Isa lang yung output ng bawat input mo. Ayan. So, when it comes to, nababanggit rin ito ni Sir kanina, when it comes to ordered pairs naman, ang kailangan nyo lang bantayan dito is there are first coordinates or our x coordinates. So, lahat lang na nasa unahan yung titingnan nyo. Dapat, since not pala yung question, so kapag may nakita kayong magkaparehas, not a function agad yun. Tandaan nyo kapag sinabing function, walang mauulit sa first coordinates natin. So, check natin isa-isa lahat ng first coordinates. Ayan. So, since walang naulit, so function ito. Hindi siya yung hinahanap nating sagot. Kasi not yung question. Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, wala rin ulit na ulit. Function ulit yan. So, ito function. Ito function. First lang tingnan nyo. Negative 1, 0, 2, 4, and 8. Wala ulit na ulit. So, it's still function ito. Ito, 1. Yung first dito, 1 din dito. Ayan, may 2 and 2 pa. So, ito yung hinahanap nating sagot kasi ang tanong is not a function. Pag may naulit, not a function agad yun. Pag walang naulit, function yun. So, sagot natin itong last one. And it is a set of all y coordinates. Sabi ko kanina, kapag x coordinates, that is our domain. Kapag naman y coordinates, that is our range. And itong graph natin dito, Ayan. So, ang ginagamit kasi natin para kapag kasi sinabing function or not lang yung question, pag nag-draw ka dapat ng vertical line, so we're using vertical line test, dapat isa lang yung tatamaan niya. So, ito naman, ito medyo ano yung correct answer dito eh. Ayan, so once na mag-draw ka ng vertical line kahit saan dito, ayan, isang point lang, ito yung graph nyo, isang point lang yung tatamaan. Walang magdodoble kasi ano siya, pa-curve siya. While, so ibig sabihin, function siya. Kasi nung nag-draw ka, para malaman mo kung one-to-one siya, one-to-one function siya or not one-to-one, magdodraw ka naman ng horizontal line. So ito kasi, hindi siya one-to-one function kasi once ito pa lang dito pa lang sa x-axis kita nyo na ilang points na nitong red nating graph yung tinamaan. So hindi siya one-to-one function. Although yung answer ni quizzes is not a function. Alam kung type or what. Pero this should be ano kasi function but not ano. Hindi siya one-to-one function. Ano lang, correction lang siya. The answer of subtraction is called, sabi nga kanina, we have difference. Sir Josh, tatapusin ko po ba ito? Or ikakat ko po? Sige, tuloy natin. Find the inverse function. Ito yung sinasabi, diniscuss ni Sir kanina. Pinagpapalit natin yung, ito kasi first thing talaga is, since function siya, so f of x, siya yung y natin. We're going to change that into y. So ito ay y equals 3x plus and 3x plus 3, and then next step kasi na is interchange x and y nga. So lahat ng y magiging x, lahat ng x magiging y. So i-rewrite mo lang siya that should be 3y. 3y plus 3. Yeah. And then we're third step, solve for y. So since dapat mag-isa lang sa isang side yung may variable na y, so we need to transfer 3 dito sa kabilang side. Make sure na magpalit siya ng sign. So this will be x from positive 3 nung nasa right side, lilipat siya magiging negative 3 equals 3y. And 3y. And then to get the specific value, the value of y, divide both sides by 3, which is the coefficient of ry. So cancel out this one. So we have divided by 3. So our answer here is x minus 3 over 3. SHS ito, last option. And how about this one? Ito, factors. Ito yung kabaliktaran na sinasabi ko kanina na ang hinahanap kanina is yung special product. Ito yon. Pag napansin nyo na yung dalawang given, binomial siya, and then yung dalawang terms nyo ay perfect square and then difference yung kanyang operation, and this is what we call the difference of two squares. Ibig sabihin, yung factors niya ay same na same, magkaiba lang yung operation. So, alin dyan yung magkaibang operation? This one. Ayan. Special product kasi siya. So, this one is our answer. Okay, next. So, dito, we can solve for, ano muna, yung nasa left side natin. So, finding the LCD pa rin yan, multiply nyo lang naman to. Ayan, 3 times 4, that is 12. And then, this is what we call the butterfly. Tinatawag na butterfly method. Ayan. So, this is, and then cross-multiply na for our numerator. 2 times 4, that is A. And then, plus 3 times, kabila naman, 3 times 3K, that is 9K. Sorry, 9K. Yan, equals 71 over 12. Diretso natin pala. Divide, I multiply each fraction by 12. So this will be LCD nila is 12 for 8 plus tama, 9K. Tama pala. Equals 71. So transfer natin si 8 sa kabilang side. So this will be 9K equals 71 minus 8, 63. And then divide both sides by 9. Which is 7. So our K here is 7. So si 8, LCD kasi nila is 12. So we just 12 divided by 3, that is 4. 4 times 2, that is 8. And then 12 divided by 4, that is 3. 3 times 3K, that is 9K. So ito yun. And then combining like terms, lahat ng may K pagsamahin, lahat ng constant pagsamahin. Kaya transfer natin si 8 sa kabilang side. And then nagpalit siya ng sign, naging minus 8 yan dito. So ano to? So kaya naging 9K equals 63. And then divide both sides by 9. So we have 7. And when writing out a fraction, the numbers above and below the vinculum. So vinculum yung tawag natin sa fraction bar. So we call that vinculum are called the numerator and denominator. And perform the operation. So ayan, dissimilar fractions, we're just going to get their LCD, or just simply get their product. 3 times 2, that is 6. Ayan. And then for our numerator, cross-multiply na lang naman yan. 2 times 2, that is 4. And then 3 times 3, that is 9. Then add them. Since addition yung operation, 9 plus 9. 9 plus 4, that is 13. 13 over 6. Ito. Third option natin. You peer through a window into a classroom and count 20 eyes. If each person has a normal number of eyes, ito medyo common sense na lang din. If each person has a normal number of eyes, how many people are in the room? So kung 20 eyes yan, lahat tayo, kung normal number of eyes naman, may tigdalawa tayong mata. So there are 10 person. 10 people in the room. And solve for x. We're going to apply here, ng mabilis lang, factoring method. So if you are asked to solve for x dito, lahat ng given, ilagay natin sa left side and then equal to 0. So we have x squared minus 3x, and then lilipat natin si 10 sa left side, which is from positive 10, pag nilipat mo siya sa kabilang side, magiging negative siya. Nagpapay tayo ng sign every time nag-transfer tayo from one side to another side of the equation. Then equal to 0 na. And then next, gawa tayo ng blank parentheses. Ayan, para ma-factor natin to solve for x. Since x squared lang naman to, wala siyang coefficient, automatic, x and x na yan, magkabilaan. And then, since negative yung last term nyo, titingnan nyo siya dito, kapag negative yung last term mo, ibig sabihin, yung operation ng factors mo ay magkaiba. So, may isang plus, may isang minus. Kung gusto mo unahin yung minus, okay lang din. Basta magkaiba sila. And then next, find the factors of 10 na pag pinag-minus mo, dapat 3 yung sagot. So the factors of 10 na pag pinag-minus mo ay 3 yung sagot is 5 and 2. Ma'am, saan ilalagay ngayon si 5? Saan ilalagay si 2? So ito, mag-base ka naman sa sign ng middle term mo. Dahil negative si middle term, yung mas mataas na factor, dapat siya yung nasa negative din. Which is, dito dapat si 5. Dito si 2. So, yan yung factors niya. Pero tandaan nyo, hindi pa yan yung values ng x kasi we need to equate each factor to 0. So, pwede nyo naman siyang tingnan as palitan nyo na lang yung sign ng bawat isa. Pero if papakita nyo yung kung paano talaga siya, that is x plus 2 equals 0. And then transverse ito sa kabilang side. So, magpapahid siya ng sign. So, your x is negative 2. And then sa kabilang side naman, so x minus 5 equal to 0. So your x here is positive 5. Ang nagiging common mistake sa ganito is kung ano yung factor, yun na agad yung siniset nila as value ng x. Nakakalimutan na i-equate sa 0 pa yan. Or just simply change the sign. So negative 2 and positive 5 dapat. Nasaan yan? This one. Positive 5 and negative 2. The first option. What does it mean to find the inverse of a function? The x and y is r switch. So nag-interchange tayo ng x and y. Ayan. Identifying whether the given is a function or not. Sabi nga kapag graph ang given, just pag function or not lang yung question ha, just try to draw sa isip nyo. A vertical line, dapat sa given graph, ito yung given graph nyo. Naka-open siya to the right. Dapat pag nag-draw ka dyan, kahit saan ng vertical line, isang point line dadaanan. But since kahit dito mag-draw ka ng vertical, ito nga lang sa y-axis pa lang natin, pag nag-draw, kita mo na agad, 2 points na agad ng graph hindi so not a function siya. Dapat pag nag-draw ka ng vertical line, isang point lang yung dadaanan dun sa graph. Okay, so on a class field trip, there are 4 buses taking 36 students to the zoo. Each bus has same number of students. How many students are on each bus? So merong 4 buses, 36 students. So para malaman mo kung ilan yung laman ng kada bus, divide lang naman ito. Ayan, same number. So 36 divided by 4, that is 9. Ayan. So, function, substitution pa rin siya kapag lagi naman ganito kapag may given, may binibigay sa inyong given, is substitute nyo lang yan and then simplify. Given f of x equals negative x raised to 3 minus 2. So, what is f of x when x is negative 2? Ayan. So, papalitan lang natin siya. So, we have here, kokopyahin nyo mo si negative, although negative din yung x value nyo, pero may minus siya dito, di ba? So, may negative siya dito. Kopyahin nyo pa rin yan, yung original na given talaga. And then, sa kanya i-enclose sa parenthesis yung mismong given x, which is negative 2. Siya yung naka-raised sa 3. Ayan. And then minus 2. Kokopyahin siya ng ganyan. And then, simplify nyo muna itong nasa yung ating sa parenthesis. Negative 2 raised to 3. Ito yung sinasabi rin ni Sir kanina na kapag add number yung ating exponent, negative yung answer mo. Pero still, yung nasa, huwag kayong ma-confuse doon sa nasa labas. Kailangan nyo pa rin mo siyang kopyahin kasi ang sinisimplify pa lang natin is yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. With minus 2, that is 6. Ayan. Ito, may graph ulit na given. The relation in the graph is, ayan. So kapag nag-draw ka naman dyan ng vertical line, isa lang yung dadaanan na point since naka-open upward siya. So this is a function. Pero, ayun, kapag one-to-one function or not, sabi ko kanina, horizontal yung basis naman nun. Pag function or not, vertical line yung gagamitin, vertical line test. Pag one-to-one or not one-to-one, horizontal. Ito, kung napansin nyo, pag nakikita nyo dito, kahit sa x-axis pa lang, dalawang point yung dinaan. So, hindi siya, function siya, pero hindi siya one-to-one. Okay, next. Which is the inverse of the table. Kapag ang given naman sa inyo is ordered pair lang or table, tapos hinahanap yung inverse, just simply interchange your x and y value lang naman. As in, yung pagpapalitan nyo lang yung bawat value, yung corresponding values nila. Katulad nito, ang inverse nito, lahat ng nasa y, magiging value ng x. Lahat ng nasa x, dapat nasa value ng y. Which is na-corresponded pa rin sa particular given nila. Halimbawa dito yan. So, 2002, ito yan. Nagpalit lang sila ng pwesto. Last, wala na pala ito. So, hindi na siya kasali. Ayun. So, yun lang. I hope may mga na-recall din kayo.